Adopted child. Today's the topic of this video is about adopted child. It showed up in one of the last Family Constellations group sessions, and I would like to take this video to explain the importance of the adopted and the biological parents' roles in the lives of the adopted children. But before we start, I would like to say that I do offer online and in-person individual and group sessions. The group sessions happen monthly. You can register through my website. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, and you can register or join us anytime that fits your schedule. So let's jump into this video. The person that we set up this the last Family Constellations group session complained about not having support throughout her whole life, having difficulties in making decisions. She felt abandoned in her life, and she really felt lost with no directions in life and difficulties completing her projects. In this case, she told us she was adopted and her biological mother gave her away when she was a baby. Unfortunately, on top of that, her adopted mother, passed away 1 year and a half, 2 years later. So she lost her adopted mother, when she was about 3 years old. When we do not have a connection with our mothers, or when the relationship with our mother or that connection was broken for some reason, we do not feel that we have enough strength in life to complete our goals, and this was the main reason for all her complaints. So through Family Constellations method, we can establish those connections again, because we do work on a soul level. So we started her group session with her and also her adopted mother. For those who need to learn how Family Constellations work, in a group session we do use the people from the group to represent the family members roles, and then we started with her and also her adopted mother in this case. So when we put them together in the field, we felt right away like the love and the connection between the two of them, even though she lost her adopted mother when she was too young. But the love and the connection was there. Her mother was really grateful to have her in her life, and really grateful for the biological mother for giving her away and giving her the opportunity to be her mother. After that, we included the biological mother, and we saw right away the broken relationship between them. The adopted mother had to give her permission to go towards the biological mother, and this is really important because in some cases it's really difficult for the adopted parents to do that movement. In that situation, that session, the adopted mother was really okay giving her permission to go towards the biological mother. So she slowly gives some steps towards her biological mother, and we finally could establish that connection again. So for all adopted children, most of the time there is a huge desire to know and meet the biological parents. Sometimes it's possible, sometimes it's not possible, but with what is really possible through the Family Constellations method to do that connection in our soul's level. And when we do have our biological parents in our hearts as well, it gives us the strength we need in life to accomplish our goals, to complete our projects, to make decisions, because our parents is really the source of our lives. And that connection is really important, especially for adopted children, because they do have the adopted parents, but also the biological parents, and the, those parents are really important to have in our hearts throughout our life. One thing that this person told me in the beginning of the session that really broke my heart, and she told me and everyone in the group session that we didn't know, or we don't know how lucky we are having our mothers or our parents in our life, even though with all the difficulties in our relationships. So because she really felt sad of not having her two mothers. But in the end, when we finished the session, it was a very emotional, and it touches everyone's hearts. I told her, "You are the luckiest one to have two mothers in your life," and when she really connected with the two of them. That was the story about the last session. If you think this content was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, share if you would like to share with whoever wants to hear or listen to this story. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.